Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, we are working on a hit called um, Query Annotation English. This is a really easy hit to work with. Let's start by answering it. I'm already on in the production, so this is how I do it. So we check the query. It's Veronica Gandara. So we answer the first question. Can you categorize this query? We said yes. So question number two, which categories best describe the above query? So this is a person. Most likely, this is to going to fall under people. So just click on that and click on submit. Let's wait for the next hit. What kind of cable do I need to clone a 3.5 inches hard drive with 2.0 USB? Can you categorize this query? Yes, we can. So this is information, but this will fall under technology. Queries related to technology, such as seeking tech-related information or know-how for consumer electronic appliances, computers, mobile phones, TVs, cameras, refrigerators, and other consumer electronics. So this is going to fall again under technology. Moving on to the next hit, it's 0.45 ACP for deer. Can you categorize this query? We click yes. How about the ACP for deering hunting? Deer and the 0.45 ACP. So most likely this is going to fall under, hold on a sec. Let's check utility. Nope, that not that one. This might fall under related to puzzle games. Nope. Uh, queries related to shopping, which have strong purchasing intent, such as product comparison, research, offer sales, coupons. No, not that one. Video. Uh, Queries where a video or multiple videos is the desired result. Yoga instructions, not really. I would say this is going to fall under other category. Other should be selected if you have already found another matching category. No, I would still submit it. Okay. We can click on utility and then we click on this one. We agree to it. Just click OK. So, question number two, Sydney Powell, Twitter. Can you categorize this query? This is a person, Sydney Powell, so this will fall under people. And just click on submit. Window shades. Can you categorize this query? Yes, we can. This is going to be a shopping intent. So this will be under shopping intent. That one. Not real estate. Not what else? Utility. Nope. So just click on submit here. Moving on to next one. Next head or next query is Travelocity. Travelocity is a website, obviously. So we choose website and just click submit. Um, we do have a guideline for this. You can always pull it up while watching this video, but you don't really have to go through it. I mean, this this hit is really easy to understand. Uh, you just have to be familiar with all those queries. It's a good thing if you are a reader. You are going to be familiar with all these queries right here. So Halmashan, yep, we can categorize it. Definition, list of Halmashan studies. The list contains studies about Sherlock Holmes. This is going to be under information search. Huh. And click submit. So, Ben Mabby Clearfield County deed. This is going to fall under realtor or real estate. And Sierra Trading Post warehouse phone number. That is information. So let's check on the category information. Uh, where where do I find that? Automobile information search. Yep, that's it. Or it can be a local business too. Local businesses. Yeah, but this is specific to the telephone. I mean, to the phone number. So that will fall under information. So I click submit. Breaking news: Long Island fire. Yes, you can categorize it. Do we have news here? There you go. Just click submit. So NCAA scores, that's sports most likely. So we choose so we said we click yes. We were able to categorize it, and then we go to sports, and, or we choose sports for that matter. So SPAC, can you categorize this category? Yes. Special purpose acquisition company, SPAC. So it's a company. So that will fall under. Hold on a sec here. Special purpose acquisition company is also known as blank check company. That will fall under local for business. Queries looking for information about local businesses. Retail stores, restaurants, hotel attractions, etc. are public place by name, by category, or based on the products or services offered. All right, all right. Uh, please select at least. I did select, so let me click no. Okay, click submit here. Lasado, Lasado, Wikipedia. That will be information. Lasado was previously the British Crown colony of. Yeah, it'll be under information search. All right, so this is a very short video, a quick view or overview. It's not a tutorial at all, but I hope you guys learned something from it. I'd like to show you the thought process and how to work on this particular hit. Again, it is query annotation English. I think this is the part of video, or yeah, part two video of this particular hit. I don't recall, I don't remember. My apologies, but as I go through all the hits, even if I have made a video of it, I still do a recording, so you guys will be updated. Again, my name is Ghost, and we have a Facebook group. You can find us on Facebook. It is Click Worker Philippines. For you to be able to join Click Worker Philippines, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel. Send over a screenshot of your subscription. Go to Click Worker Philippines group, answer the relevant membership questions, and we'll be more than happy to accept you there. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.